In this video, I will teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. In order to do that, you first need to log in into your HubSpot account, and from in there, just go over to the app marketplace. You can find it by going over right here into this icon with the store icon. Proceed to click on this and click onto this HubSpot marketplace. Once you have done that, you should be able to find HubSpot's marketplace wherein you can see a lot of applications that you can install. In this case, let's search for Shopify. Click onto this bar right here, type Shopify, and then you can see Shopify right there. So click on this. And this one is created by HubSpot and it's a certified app for it. So for this case, click on install. Now it will ask to connect your account. Just click onto this next right here. Input right here your actual subdomain of your Shopify. So I have in here my Shopify. So your actual URL is this one. And I have in here my domain. You can just get the last characters after store on your URL link. Copy it and then head back to your HubSpot. Add it right here because this is your subdomain and click on connect. After that, this will open right here this window that allows you to connect Shopify into your HubSpot as well. So for this case, just wait for this to load. From this case, proceed to click on install, and after that, this will actually install and integrate HubSpot with your Shopify so you can access it right here as well. So continue the setup so you can set up the sync right here. So that's all there is today, and if you have any questions, comment them down. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.